Click on the link below to get price. The Panasonic Z95 Series 55-inch OLED 4K Ultra HD SmartFire TV is a stunning addition to any home entertainment setup. Right from the unboxing, the sleek design and premium feel of the television stand out. The ultra-thin bezels give it a modern aesthetic, allowing the screen to dominate the space without distractions. Picture quality is where the Z95 truly shines. The OLED technology delivers deep blacks and vibrant colors that make viewing a rich experience. Each pixel emits its own light, resulting in exceptional contrast and stunning detail whether you're watching a dark movie scene or a bright nature documentary. The 4K resolution elevates every piece of content, and the HDR support enhances brightness and color depth, making it perfect for HDR10 and Dolby Vision content. The SmartFire TV interface is user-friendly, providing seamless access to popular streaming services like Netflix, Prime Video, and Disney+. The integration of Amazon Alexa allows for voice control, making it incredibly convenient to browse content or adjust settings without tedious remote navigation. The remote itself is ergonomically designed, featuring well-placed buttons that make it easy to navigate through the extensive options available. Sound quality is commendable as well, with built-in speakers delivering a clear and immersive audio experience. However, for those who truly appreciate high-quality sound, pairing the Z95 with an external soundbar or home theater system is recommended to enhance the overall experience. Gaming on this television is superb, thanks to its quick response time and low input lag, making it ideal for console gaming. The inclusion of HDMI 2.1 ports also future-proofs it for upcoming gaming technologies. Overall, the Panasonic Z95 Series 55-inch OLED TV combines stunning visual performance, smart functionality, and sleek design, making it a remarkable choice for anyone looking to elevate their home entertainment experience. Its blend of excellent picture quality and user-friendly features solidifies its place as a top contender in the premium TV market.